Let's find out how to access and execute the instant DP to pledge on the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app. Go to the hamburger menu and click on Equity. Under Equity, select EQ Reports and then click on DP to pledge. You'll see a list of eligible stocks for pledging. Choose the stock you want to pledge and enter the quantity. Check the pledged value and click on Proceed. Click OK and you'll be redirected to your depository page. Tick the checkbox to confirm the stock you want to pledge. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Confirm. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number and click Submit. You will receive confirmation from NSDL regarding the margin pledge instructions upon OTP validation. Return to Reports, go to DP Holding and check the updated quantity in the collateral balance of the respective stocks. Click on Limit Statement to view your updated trading limit, which will have increased based on the pledged value. Now, you're ready to start trading with your increased limit.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.